Hello, I'm Gary Brown, Chief Financial Officer and Senior Vice President of Wheaton Precious Metals. I'm pleased to provide highlights from the results of our first quarter of 2023. Wheaton's high-quality portfolio of long-life, low-cost assets delivered a solid performance to the start of the year, allowing us to produce positive earnings, maintain our strong margins, and grow our cash position, all while remaining committed to industry-leading ESG practices, which continue to be recognized with top rankings. In the first quarter of 2023, production amounted to over 140,000 gold equivalent ounces, above company's expectations and on track to meet full-year production guidance. Strong commodity prices, which remain at historical highs, coupled with our steady production base, resulted in revenue of $214 million. Despite the persistent inflationary environment, Wheaton continued to deliver robust cash operating margins, resulting in cash flow from operations of $135 million and a quarterly dividend of 15 cents per share. Our strong cash balance, coupled with the fully undrawn $2 billion revolving credit facility, provides us with financial flexibility to acquire additional mineral stream interests. To this end, our corporate development team remains exceptionally busy evaluating new opportunities. And as always, Wheaton is focused on ensuring our growth is both accretive and sustainable for all of our stakeholders. Looking into the remainder of 2023, we are forecasting gold equivalent attributable production to be between 600 to 660,000 ounces for the year. We continue to see positive developments at several of our key assets, including Salobo and Constancia. At Vale's Salobo mine in Brazil, the Salobo 3 expansion project, which will increase the mill throughput by 50%, successfully commenced at the end of 2022 and continues to ramp up to full capacity. Production at Salobo in the first quarter grew by over 15% relative to the prior quarter. Additionally, at Hudbay's Constancia mine in Peru, full mining activities resumed in the Pampacancha pit in February, and the period of higher stripping from March to June is progressing well, with mining of higher-grade ore now expected in the second quarter of 2023, slightly ahead of schedule. We anticipate that this expected production growth throughout 2023 will culminate in a strong second half of the year. Our 5-year outlook remains on track and demonstrates an impressive organic growth profile of over 40%, with 2/3 of our anticipated growth coming from assets already in operation, including Salobo, Stillwater, Constancia, and Voisey's Bay. In addition, towards the latter end of the 5-year forecast period, we anticipate incremental production from assets currently in development, including the Blackwater, Goose, and Marathon projects. In closing, we believe Wheaton is well positioned to continue delivering value to all of our stakeholders, especially in this environment of strong precious metals prices. Our portfolio is unparalleled in the industry in terms of the embedded organic growth profile and high-quality nature of our assets. With low and predictable costs, we believe we will continue to be resilient to inflationary pressures, resulting in some of the highest margins in the entire precious metals space. We expect to continue to return this value back to our shareholders through our unique cash flow-linked dividend policy. To wrap up, I am very proud of what our team has been able to achieve. We have a strong foundation in place, and 2023 is shaping up to be an exciting year. Thank you for your continued support and investment in Wheaton Precious Metals.